back to my channel. I'm Evie from LoveForDIY and I hope everyone is healthy and enjoying your stay at home. Please guys, wash your hands and practice social distancing. I know we're living in crazy times, but this too shall pass. Just keep a positive mindset and everything will be okay. Well, in today's video, I want to show you how to make a bamboo blanket ladder, not only for your blankets, but for everything you want a storage for. This could be your scarves, your towels, or even you can put it outside and hang some flower pots. And the best part is that you don't need any power tools. How cool is that? So, if you're excited, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So, let's jump right in. For this, you will need 3 bamboo stakes 60 inches long. You can find them at the floral section at your local hardware store, a miter box and a hand saw, jute twine, glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, and a tape measure. Now start by marking your bamboo at the 20-inch mark, and you will see why in a minute, and do this 2 times, and then cut them using your hand saw at those marks. You will end up with 3 equal sticks. These will be your rungs. Then lay out your longer stakes on the floor and measure the distance between them. I opted for 50 inches apart, and that's why I cut the rungs at 20 inches long, because I wanted the edges to overlap a bit. Here I'm marking 12 inches from the top. This is where I'm placing my first rung. Now you see that I've already secured the one side, and I'm going to do the other one by cutting a long piece of jute twine and passing the twine through and under the longer piece of bamboo. The best way to learn lashing, guys, is through a video I found from ITS Tactical. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out because it's very helpful, guys. I didn't follow the exact steps of the video, but I learned that you can play around with different lashing styles. There are plenty of different ways to try. So I adopted mine, and in order to secure it, I put hot glue at the back. Lots of hot glue to be exact, to make the lashing stronger and sturdier, and then cut the excess twine. Now for the second and third rung, I measured 40 inches and placed the bamboos at that mark. Again, I'm securing my bamboos together with my own lashing style, which you can see now here. I don't want to give you instructions because I think it's more helpful to see the video without me talking.
You make me feel so weighted. When we're floating, I got nothing on my shoulders. Wait a minute, I just gotta take a deep breath, and we'll dive in the deep end. I follow you down to the ocean. I'm making you drown in emotion. We should go underwater, take a look way deep.
Here I'm lashing the third and the last rung, and here's how it turned out. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this storage solution useful, and hope I inspired you to make one for your own. I really enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it too, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs on a low budget. I appreciate you guys so much for all your support, and please be safe, and please stay home. Until my next video, I love you guys. Bye!